It's 24 hours in the day, yeah, yeah. Lion foot now waste time, same now delay. You coulda legal, or you coulda overstay, yeah, yeah. Still 24 hours in the day.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless all of greetings, viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. Big up on yourself, I hope all is blessed. Yes, man, my viewers and subscribers, why me I tell you? We go straight into that one, you know. First and foremost, I don't know, so when it's about discrimination, we say equality, diversity, see? Yes, man, so one more person, one more patron, one more soul has been exposed. Eating the buff, otherwise called the kitty. Cat.
Welcome to Lion4 TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Hey, my viewers and subscribers, yeah, man. So this brother, you know, them say a Popcaan producer, them say blood brother. Zine, yeah, you know, it got exposed. You know, got covered the net. But I mean, I tell a story. First person must break it, a king mix up. You see on pink wall and basic picture show, but I don't know. Bad man never do. Face on a toilet seat. Cat, watch where you eat. You know, even though it's not right in a God's sight, you know what I mean? You can't tell nobody what to do, you see me? Each to them own. That's one problem me have. Why when the man do them actions are, you know? Why the mafia video themselves or get it videoed? Or is it a trap? Was he set up? Was he being, what they call it now, blackmail? We don't know about. Boy, oh boy. Things and time change in my viewers and subscribers. It's not like before, you know, where back in the 80s, the early 90s, where people hide and do it. And you very rarely you hear somebody get exposed and them eat. Or woman lick the lollipop, or a man eat the buffet. You know what I say? But now, when it comes to the 2000, late 2000 now, and the new generation, you know what I mean, phone and all of them things, the gadgets, you see me? It's getting more popular now where you see people are being exposed, people phone lost. Some people lost them phone and then people find it and find better things on it. You know what I mean? Then you have cartel who come broke out the girl them. And the man them, you know, the musically. You see me? So it becomes the norm now where, you see me? Man do them thing and a woman do them thing for please them one another. You know what I mean? People will say that the first world country, enough people got a first world country to learn it. You see me? Each to them own, you know, you see me? And I not defend the brother, even though it's not right. You see me? As me say. You know what I mean? But a man, with me, a man free for the way them want to do, you see me? I'm not going to try to bring down a man or tear down a man or try have nothing over a man just to demoralize, you know what I mean? Or tear them character. You see what I say? Yeah man, so the brother, you know, surround Popcaan, you know, it's not a good look for Popcaan brand. I don't know if he was one of Popcaan's main producer or I'm blood brother, but people I say I am brother and you know people I say I'm producer. So I don't know if it's his main, if it's Popcaan main producer, I don't know, but I know it's not gonna be a good look for Popcaan brand, you see me? Because people are gonna say, yeah man, I saw the whole of the Unruly them stay. You see what I say? And that side it's not gonna look good for Popcaan brand, you see what I say? Yeah man, but otherwise I say, yo, live and let people live. You know what I mean? Each to them own, you know, each to them own downfall. You see me? The only problem is why he must have video himself. Look on Casino. Casino say a mistake on him phone. Him finger touch your phone. You see me? The ice cream man and the police car and a video himself and get himself videoed. If you don't make the woman them video, you don't know, so they're going to have something over you. So as you slip, you slide. You see me? As you slip, you slide. Zine, if you left them, if you cheat on them, they go look on the boy, the brother were there. That was so disgusting. Me not see it, but me about it. You see me? The brother where I take the thing there, you scam my brother. You see me, woman say woman must expose him and take it. You see me? Jano star with the two. Jano. My viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens. But I know yeah man. You see me? I know say one trait like plyboard. Woman alone take off my clothes. And woman alone me let off my load. Woman alone me load my house. Some boys say them treat like straight jeans. Them and them front hard like baked beans. Yo! Viewers and just take bad thing a bit laughing about. Yeah man. What may I say? Some people, you have enough hypocrite out there, you know. Some people where they might do it and they might laugh at people when they might do the same thing, you know. You see me? But every man and every woman have them days still, you know. Yes, man. It's up to a man if they want to do them thing and please them woman, and it's up to a woman if they want to do them thing and please them man. I just saw the things the world change. You see me? And some people change with it and some people don't. You see me? The world change, but I not change with it. Man, I old school certain things, man, not in it. When you look, you come make me smack and wicked. So, my lollipop is up to you if you want to lick it. Ha! Now, I ask if you do it. You see me? I say, but yeah, man, each to their own. You know what I mean? And the brother, well, not a good look on Popcaan, I know still. But you see me? Whosoever leak a video there, yeah, man, no wicked, man. You see me, you have some woman wicked, you know, and just want to bring down man. You know what I mean? I have some man who wicked and want to bring down woman. You see me? But whosoever leak the video, I say it go here, man. I say it go here, bad man, I fear time now, you see me? I just say those are 7 days talk and people are going to stop. But they're going to always remember you say, you're a eater, you know? You go down there, you see me? But I just a 7 day talk, 10 day talk, and I eat that. You see me? The greatest thing in my life. You see me? But yeah, man, so we say live and let others live, you know, you see it? Big up on the damn self. We don't know a lion foot in another vlog. How we do it when I post our vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell and share. And you see what I say? Yes, man. Big up on yourself. Peace and love. Yeah. Each to their own.
Let's go! That's a each and everyone, especially people who live in a family land. Canada, America, Ireland, England, Germany, France, Italy, Belgium, Finland. And that's how it is if you do. But you can't do stiff, you have to be flexible.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell before you go. So you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.